Have you ever wondered if you should travel alone? Have you contemplated it, but you thought, that's just out of my comfort zone. I just don't feel comfortable traveling solo. Well, let me tell you something. Traveling solo is so healing and energizing. Come on in, take a seat. I'm Jay, welcome to my channel. I give trips on traveling. I make videos about life skills, things I've learned in 56 years on this planet, some really good tips and advice, and just living your best life. So come on in. Let's talk about how traveling solo may just be your cup of tea. So I'm Jay, and I have been traveling solo for several years, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be 100% honest. I was one of those people that said there is no way, absolutely no way I'm ever going to travel alone, because what if something happens? You got to get that fear out of your head, okay? So when I first traveled solo following my divorce, I never knew happiness like I did when I traveled alone. You have nobody to answer to. You have nobody telling you, hurry up, let's go here. Nobody over your shoulder while you're shopping saying, let's go, I'm tired, let's go, what are you looking for? Nothing. It is complete peace. You can go sit there and have your ice cream cone and people watch for an hour and do your own thing. You can do whatever you want to do with nobody hindering you. So step out of your comfort zone and just try traveling solo. It is so mind-boggling how clear your head becomes because you're sitting in your own company. And you know, we might as well love the company that we're in with ourselves, because we're going to have ourselves for the rest of our lives, and we have to be our own best friend, right? So you'll learn so much about yourself. You will learn what you really truly love and what you really don't like, because you're going to start gravitating towards doing some of the fun stuff that you've always wanted to do, but maybe in the past a person traveling with you wouldn't have ever considered doing anything like that, such as zip lining or hiking or chasing waterfalls, whatever the case may be. So it's hard to put everything into one trip when there's many people putting their opinions, but when you're traveling solo, you don't have a care in the world. You can get up when you want, you can go to sleep when you want, you can eat what you want, you can go sightsee what you want, you can go on excursions if you want. In fact, if you do excursions alone, you're gonna find that people are going to open their arms and embrace you as the solo traveler. I mean, I can't tell you the amount of people that I've met here already in this first week that I've been here, and it's like I feel like it's my community. Same thing at home. I mean, everybody walks by, hey, how are you? Good morning, cheers, coffee, whatever, and it's just amazing. So step out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to travel alone. Do your research. Obviously, find a condo, a VRBO, whatever the case may be. Read reviews on the sites, okay? Mostly for safety reasons. Make sure you're in a safe place. There are a lot of things that are deceiving online, but I always go through the reviews. And yes, there's gonna be some crappy reviews, because there's just, unfortunately, people who just wanna do that. But you have to overlook some of the nitpicky things that people say about something like a VRBO and look at, you know, the things. It's clean, it's safe, there's restaurants nearby, the parking lot is well lit, things like that you want to look at to make sure you're okay. But yeah, it's just so healing, and that's why I have started to travel alone more and more. I travel with other people, yes, but to heal my soul and get back to just where I need to be mentally and emotionally is really, really great. So consider it, and I think you'll be surprised. Probably gonna like it a whole lot. So let me know where you're wanting to travel, where you've traveled by yourself, and any tips that you have for any of my subscribers who maybe want to take a trip to where you've been. All right, check out my other video about traveling to Maui for 2 weeks under $2,500, okay? All right, stay tuned for some more tips. Subscribe if you would like, and help me grow my page so that I can continue to help others and inspire people along the way. Many blessings always.